Hi boys and girls, I'm so glad you could join me today for baking a cake in a mug. We're gonna have lots of fun, so let's get ready. First things first, I just washed my hands in the sink, but one more time I'm going to disinfect my hands with some alcohol gel, disinfect them really good before we cook. I'd like you to make sure you're doing that as well. Always good bakers wash their hands first. Okay. Put this right behind me. So first, I'd like to show you that I have all my ingredients ready here in front of me. I measured everything out already, as you can see, in little bowls, and I'm going to place them in my mug. I wanted to show you the mug that I got. This is actually my favorite mug. It's nice and big, it's deep, so everything fits in, and sometimes when you do it, it's gonna overflow just a little bit. That's why the bigger the mug, the better, okay? So here we go. We're gonna start by first putting in 4 tablespoons of flour into our mug. We'll put it right in there. Just dump it in. Then we put in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Everything goes in there. Now we have 4 tablespoons of sugar. Lots of sugar, nice and sweet, like we like it. And then we have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay. Then we have 1 egg that's ready. We dump it in there. And you might take a minute now to mix it up because the egg just went in, so you're gonna mix it up so it mixes well, it gets all moist with the egg. Take a few minutes mixing here, and I'm gonna show you what it's going to look like. You can see right in there the cocoa is starting to get moist and dark. Okay, so you wanna get the bottom so the flour doesn't stay at the bottom, mix it all well. Okay, now we're gonna put in our 3 tablespoons of milk and mix a little more. Now we have our 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix that up with a few drops of vanilla, 2 drops. And we mix, mix, and mix. Make sure when you're mixing, you can touch the bottom and you scrape the bottom off so that nothing stays down there glumpy. So you might want to count to 10 as you're mixing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So look what it looks like now. It's pretty smooth, as you can see. There's a little bit of lumps in it, but that's okay. And then, for the last yummy ingredient, we put in a handful of chocolate. You can use any chocolate you want. Just break it up into little pieces, or you might have chocolate chips. You can use that too. So, you dump it in. One last mix. And now it's ready to go in. You don't want to lick the fork, even though it looks yummy, because there's raw egg in the cake in the mug. So you don't want to do that, or else you could get a tummy infection. So now we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes on high. All right, so follow me over here. You might need your mom or dad to help you with the microwave. Put it right in the middle, and I'm gonna set my timer for 2 minutes. As you can see, 2 minutes, and I'm gonna press start. And there we go. So as we wait for 2 minutes, I have some knock-knock jokes to tell you. And my assistant that is with me, filming me, is gonna help me out with the knock-knock jokes. Here we go. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ice cream soda.
Ice cream soda who?
Ice cream so that people can hear me. Here's another one. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
To
To who?
No, to whom?
Oh.
Let's do another one. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Anita.
Anita who?
I need a drink of water. Can you please get me one? Okay, let's see how much time is left. 1 more minute. We have time for 2 more knock, knock jokes. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana? Okay, here we go. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Olive.
Olive who?
Olive next door. Hi, neighbor. Okay, so we have 30 seconds left for our cake in the mug. I just wanted to tell you how much I miss everybody, and even though it's been a difficult year with distance learning, I want to congratulate all of you for doing a wonderful job. Good job. Keep up the good work. Okay, 15 seconds, left in the microwave. I'm so excited. Ooh, I see it rising in there and bubbling. You might be able to see it through your microwave when you're doing it too. Oh, and the smell is delicious. It's ready. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Look at this perfection. Doesn't it look delicious? If you could smell, oh my gosh. Now for the real test. I'm gonna take a bite. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Perfection. All I need now is a glass of milk to go with it. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today, and I can't wait to hear how your cake in the mug turns out. Have a great afternoon, everybody. See you soon. Bye.